Alright, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove or show grid lines in Excel. So here we just have some random data and you can obviously see that there are a ton of grid lines everywhere. So the first step to remove all of these is to go up to the View ribbon and then just unselect grid lines. As simple as that. And then you can select it again to show the grid lines, unselect it to remove, so on and so forth. And if for whatever reason this View ribbon and you're not seeing this grid line option, you can simply just type in the search grid lines and select View grid lines, and that will select or unselect this box for you. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.